Using the bracket supplied with the kit, mount this on the motorcycle with the clip in the middle pointing up. You can mount the bracket using the cable ties provided. Slide them through the slots in the side, then wrap them around the frame, sliding the tail through the buckle end and pulling tight. Once in place, snip off the loose tail for a neat finish. Once you have mounted the bracket to the motorcycle in your preferred location, to engage the reservoir simply slide it down into the bracket from the top and it should click into place.